Hello, everyone. Today, we're focusing on a critical skill for electrical engineering professionals: effective telephone communication. In our field, the ability to discuss technical matters, coordinate projects, and seek assistance over the phone is fundamental. Let's delve into key strategies for excelling in professional phone communication. We're diving into a crucial aspect of our work in electrical engineering, preparing for professional phone calls. In our field, effective communication over the phone is a vital skill. It's how we discuss complex technical matters, coordinate projects, and seek assistance when needed. Now, let's focus on the first key point. Define the call objective. Before picking up the phone for an important work call, especially in the diverse world of electrical engineering, it's essential to have a clear objective in mind. This means knowing exactly what you want to achieve during the conversation, ensuring it has a specific purpose and leads to productivity. For example, let's imagine you're knee-deep in a highly specialized electrical circuit design project. When you're about to talk with a team member, think about the goals for the call. It could be about finalizing the components for the project, ensuring they meet the technical requirements, or coming to an agreement on how you'll meticulously test the circuit. Having a well-defined objective like this ensures that the call serves the precise needs of the project, making collaboration efficient and effective. In summary, before any important call, take a moment to set a clear goal. It keeps the conversation focused and helps everyone involved work together seamlessly. So, whether you're discussing intricate circuit designs or planning the next phase of a project, defining your call objective is a fundamental step for success in professional phone communication. Now, let's explore another crucial aspect of preparing for a professional call in electrical engineering: gathering pre-call documentation. In our world of electrical engineering, where precision is paramount, being thoroughly prepared is key. Before any important call, it's crucial to gather all the relevant technical documents you might need. These could include circuit diagrams, component datasheets, software code, or simulation results. Having these materials at your fingertips ensures that you can reference and share essential information efficiently during the call. Let's break this down with an example. Imagine you're about to discuss a complex microcontroller programming issue with a colleague. Meticulous preparation in this scenario means having the microcontroller's detailed datasheet, the specific code segments under scrutiny, and any relevant supporting documentation ready to go. Picture it as having your toolkit right beside you. This level of preparation not only showcases professionalism, but also allows you to navigate through the technical intricacies of the call seamlessly. So, whether you're delving into the details of software code or analyzing simulation results, having your documents in order ensures a smooth and productive conversation. It's like having a map for a journey. You want to make sure you have all the necessary information to reach your destination successfully. In summary, gathering pre-call documentation is a fundamental step in our preparation process. It's about arming ourselves with the information we need to tackle the challenges of our projects effectively. In the world of electrical engineering, creating the right environment for a professional call is crucial. You should choose a quiet and organized space where your computer and necessary materials are easily accessible. This setup ensures you can quickly retrieve technical documents, schematics, or project plans during the call. Let's consider an example. Imagine you're discussing a sophisticated control system design with a knowledgeable professor. To create the right environment, find a tranquil study area conducive to focused conversation. Arrange your trusty laptop, textbooks, and reference materials neatly within arm's reach. This careful setup ensures that your call proceeds smoothly, allowing you to delve into the technical intricacies of your project without interruptions. Now, let's talk about the importance of establishing a structured agenda for your professional calls in electrical engineering. Having a well-structured agenda is like having a roadmap for your conversation. It keeps the discussion focused and ensures that all key technical topics are covered systematically. Consider this example. Picture yourself discussing a sophisticated embedded systems project with a classmate. In this scenario, a well-prepared agenda would outline all crucial aspects of your project. It might include topics like sensor integration, algorithm development, and the planned procedures for thorough testing. This structured approach ensures that every vital aspect of your project is systematically addressed during the call, leaving no technical stone unturned. It paves the way for a highly productive and goal-oriented conversation, which is of paramount importance in the realm of electrical engineering. Let's now explore the essential elements of professional call etiquette in the realm of electrical engineering. Effective communication is the backbone of successful collaboration, and mastering the art of professional calls is pivotal. Initiating a call on the right note is crucial. When you pick up the phone, introduce yourself clearly and provide context about your role or affiliation within electrical engineering. For instance, you might say, "Hello, this is Joan. I'm an electrical engineering student at USTHB, specializing in power systems or other fields. Currently, I'm working on a project related to renewable energy integration. Our project aims to develop innovative solutions for harnessing renewable energy sources like solar and wind power." In our intricate world of electrical engineering, active listening is indispensable. Acknowledge technical details, and when needed, seek clarification to ensure mutual comprehension. For instance, you could say, "I understand that precise voltage regulation in the output of the voltage regulator is critical for this application. Could you clarify the specific tolerance level we should aim for in this scenario? It's crucial for us to ensure the stability of the power supply in our system." Courtesy is paramount in professional communication. Maintain a polite and respectful tone, especially when navigating technical disagreements. Foster an environment where diverse viewpoints can be discussed constructively. For example, you might express, "I appreciate your perspective on the control algorithm, but I have a different viewpoint based on the insights we gained from our previous simulations. I believe that by combining our approaches, we can arrive at a robust solution. Let's engage in a constructive dialogue to explore both approaches and arrive at the best solution for our project." In technical conversations, interruptions can disrupt the conversational flow and lead to misunderstandings. Allow your interlocutor to conclude their technical explanations before responding. This promotes effective communication and reduces the chances of misinterpretation. For instance, you could say, "I see you're discussing a complex mathematical derivation related to signal processing. It's an interesting topic, and I want to fully understand your insights. Please go ahead and explain, and I'll make sure to save my questions for after you've finished your explanation." While precise technical language is crucial in electrical engineering, it's equally essential to tailor your language to the comprehension level of your audience. Avoid overwhelming non-specialists with excessive jargon. For example, when describing our project to non-engineering stakeholders, use accessible language and analogies. You might say, "To our investors and project managers, microcontrollers are essentially the brains of our system, similar to the central processing unit (CPU) in a computer." This simplifies the concept, making it easier for everyone to grasp the core idea and its significance for our project. Mastering these aspects of professional call etiquette ensures that our communication is not only technically sound, but also conducive to collaboration and understanding. Let's delve into the intricacies of structuring a conversation in the world of electrical engineering. How we organize our discussion significantly impacts the effectiveness of our professional communication. This section aims to enhance our understanding of how to structure and conduct technical discussions within the context of electrical engineering. Commencing a call sets the tone for what follows. A warm and concise greeting, coupled with a clear agenda, is vital. For instance, you might start a call by saying, "Good morning. In today's call, we will focus on finalizing the design specifications for the power supply unit of our project. Additionally, we'll delve into discussions concerning the timeline for completing the PCB layout." Establishing this clear agenda ensures our conversation is productive and that we stay aligned on our objectives. In technical discussions, especially in electrical engineering, presenting complex technical details in a structured and logical manner is crucial. A well-organized conversation ensures that all critical points are systematically addressed. For example, imagine a discussion centered around an analog electronics project. The conversation unfolds in a carefully structured sequence, beginning with the selection of operational amplifiers and their corresponding configurations. It then progresses to address considerations related to resistor and capacitor values. Finally, it delves into essential details concerning voltage regulation. This methodical approach guarantees that all crucial technical aspects are thoroughly explored and discussed. Frequent summaries of key technical points are pivotal to maintaining clarity and ensuring unanimous agreement. Encouraging questions for clarification creates a dynamic where everyone comprehends the technical aspects under discussion. For instance, throughout the conversation, it is essential to pause and reiterate key points for clarity. You might say, to summarize our discussion so far, we've reached agreements on the microcontroller model, the sensor type, and the communication protocol we'll employ. Does anyone have questions or require further clarification on these points? This regular clarification process consolidates the technical aspects of the discussion and ensures that everyone is in sync. Actively inviting questions and input from all participants fosters an environment of open and collaborative technical discussion. For example, at various points in the conversation, it's valuable to actively seek input and questions. This approach encourages an atmosphere of open exchange. You might inquire, are there any technical concerns or suggestions regarding the motor control algorithm we just discussed? By doing so, you promote a collaborative environment where diverse viewpoints are valued and the discussion becomes enriched by a variety of insights. Concluding the call is as important as its beginning. Summarizing agreements, technical decisions, and action items is a pivotal element of effective professional communication. It is also crucial to outline the next technical steps clearly. For instance, as the conversation wraps up, you can state, in conclusion, we've made significant decisions, including finalizing the circuit topology and selecting the specific power components. Our immediate next steps will involve simulation, followed by the important task of PCB layout. We aim to share the simulation results by the end of the week. This comprehensive conclusion not only encapsulates the crucial outcomes, but also provides a roadmap for the subsequent technical actions. Mastering the art of structuring technical discussions ensures that our conversations are not only comprehensive, but also conducive to collaborative success. We're diving into the critical aspect of ensuring effective post-call follow-up in the realm of electrical engineering. Let's explore the key steps to guarantee that technical details are accurately documented and seamlessly shared among all participants. After a technical call, our first step is to diligently document key discussions and action items. We're talking about creating a detailed technical summary document that encapsulates the decisions made during the call. For instance, we might have finalized our component selections, and specific tasks are assigned to each team member. This document becomes a valuable reference for all moving forward. In practical terms, imagine saying, I've prepared a comprehensive technical summary document that covers our call's technical topics. It includes the finalized component selections, and each of you has tasks assigned. For example, we've opted for the LM317 voltage regulator due to its precise output control, and John will handle the procurement and initial tests. This document will guide us effectively. The second step involves reinforcing our discussions through follow-up emails. In these emails, we're not only reiterating the technical details, but also attaching any relevant diagrams or documents discussed during the call. Imagine expressing, to maintain clarity on our technical deliberations, I've attached the technical diagrams and schematics we reviewed. Let's continue our collaborative spirit as we work towards our technical milestones. You'll find the schematics for the power supply unit we discussed, aiding our ongoing work. Efficiency is key in organizing and archiving technical information. We need to systematically store our notes, meeting minutes, and technical drawings. This involves creating dedicated folders for each project or aspect of our work, establishing a structured approach to accessing technical data. As an example, you might recommend, I propose a systematic approach to organize our technical information. I've created a Project X folder, and within it, subfolders for technical notes, meeting minutes, and schematics. This structure ensures easy access to our technical information. Lastly, we encourage a practice of self-assessment. Reflect on your performance in technical calls, focusing on both technical knowledge and communication skills. Seek feedback from mentors or experienced professionals to enhance your communication in future interactions. Sharing this, you might say, after our call, I reviewed my performance and identified areas for improvement. I aim to provide clearer technical insights in the future. Seeking feedback from Dr. Smith will be part of my plan. I encourage you all to reflect on your own growth in technical communication.